Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Audi Connect services for charging status, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Audi Connect services for charging status, start by ensuring you have the Audi MMI system updated to the latest. Access your vehicle and turn on the ignition. Open the Audi Connect app on your smartphone. Log in using your Audi account credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Services section of the app. Select Manage Vehicles to connect your vehicle to the app. Input your vehicle identification number (VIN) when prompted. You can find the VIN on your dashboard or in the driver's door jamb. After entering the VIN, confirm that the details displayed match your vehicle. Next, verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Return to the app and ensure your vehicle is successfully added. Now, access the charging feature within the app. Enable location services on your smartphone for a seamless experience. Select charging status to view your vehicle's current charging level. If needed, link a preferred charging station by searching for it in the app. Select the option to set your home charging location, if applicable. To authenticate, follow any additional prompts displayed in the app. You may be asked to provide a security code sent to your email or phone number. After entering the verification code, your account will be fully linked. You can now easily monitor your vehicle's charging status at any time. Try refreshing the app to ensure the latest information is displayed. For any issues, consult the FAQ section within the app for assistance. Enjoy the convenience of managing your charging status on the go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.